In this video, we will discuss the 5 best cordless drills under $100 on the market. After watching the video, you can decide which one is best for you. If you want to know more information on these products, don't forget to check the links in the description down below and subscribe to the channel for future updates. So let's get started. Number 1. Craftsman V20 Cordless Drill. Craftsman's cordless drill isn't the fastest or most powerful of the cordless drills I tested, but it's also significantly less expensive, falling well below the $100 price point. This cheap cordless drill is a great choice for those looking for an affordable cordless drill that can handle light to medium-duty jobs. Craftsman's 18-volt cordless drill is speedy. Despite only having a brushed motor, it felt nearly as fast at drilling in smaller fasteners as some of the brushless drills it went up against. It also performed well driving in larger 212-inch screws into our stacked 2x6s. Drilling was a different story. While it's more than capable of boring smaller diameter holes, it was markedly slower with our 1-inch paddle bit than the other drills I tested, though it still managed to complete the hole. In terms of size, the Craftsman certainly isn't small. Its longer than average head measures 8.25 inches long, which is nearly 2 inches longer than the heads of some of the other drills I tested. It's heavy too, at almost 3.5 lbs. Number 2. Ryobi 18V1 Cordless Drill. If you can look past its hefty weight and bulky size, then you'll find the Ryobi to be one of the mightiest cordless drills at this price point. With its 515 lbs of torque and a max speed of 1,750 RPM, it blazed through smaller fasteners during testing. And while it doesn't match the speed and might have higher-priced cordless drills, it easily drove 2 1/2-inch screws in our stacked 2x6s and capably drilled a 1-inch hole in our test lumber with a paddle bit. While I love the power that this drill offers at the sub-$100 price point, it is bulky. At 3.45 pounds, it's one of the heaviest drills we tested, and it has a head that measures some 7.5 inches long. Its large size and added weight make it difficult to fit into tighter spots and could certainly lead to more arm fatigue over longer efforts. That said, if you value power over size and weight, then the Ryobi is a great cordless drill for the money. Number 3. Craftsman V20 Cordless Hammer Drill. If you're after raw drilling power, you won't find a better deal than this Craftsman cordless hammer drill. It has a traditional drill function and a powerful hammer drill function, all for under $100. When in hammer drill mode, the Craftsman produces 25,500 beats per minute BPM, which allows it to bore holes more quickly. While it won't rival pro-level hammer drills, it's more than adequate for anything a dyer will throw at it. It tore through my 1-inch paddle bit test, outperforming all other cordless drills on this list. Hammer drills are larger than standard cordless drills, and the Craftsman is certainly no exception. Its head measures nearly 9 inches long, and it weighs a hefty 3.6 pounds without the battery, making it both heavier and longer than any of the cordless drills I tested. If you don't need the power that a hammer drill offers, it's probably best to look elsewhere, given its size and weight. However, if you're after a drill that can handle large bits, bore through masonry, or drive in lag bolts, then this hammer drill is worth the weight and size compromise. Number 4. Bosch 18V Compact Brushless Drill. Bosch manages to keep its 18-volt cordless drill compact and lightweight, yet still capable of delivering tremendous drilling and driving power. This is why it's my top pick for the best cordless drill for home use. This compact drill weighs just 2.8 pounds, including its 2Ah battery, making it the lightest of the drills I tested. It's compact too, with a head that measures just 6.3 inches long and a streamlined profile. Overall, this drill felt very nimble compared to some of the much bulkier drills I tested. The Bosch also bested the rest in build quality, as it was the only drill of the bunch with an all-metal chuck. Despite its small size, it didn't lack power during testing. And while it wasn't the fastest when it came to drilling with a large 1-inch paddle bit, it wasn't far behind the mightiest drills on this list. If you're looking to get the most out of a $100 drill, this Bosch cordless drill is the one. Number 5. Skil PwrCore 20 Brushless 20V Drill. This drill's compact size and mid-range power make it a great option for light to medium-duty jobs around the house. With a head that measures just 6.25 inches long, it's capable of fitting into tight spaces, such as between wall studs or inside a cabinet. While the Skil's battery is noticeably large for a 2Ah battery, the drill weighs just 3 pounds, making it one of the lightest models of the bunch. During testing, the Skil proved to be a very capable driver, It had no problem driving two 1/2-inch screws into two stacked 2x6s. As a drill, results were mixed. While it shined when using smaller bits, it struggled with the large 1-inch paddle bit. I was forced to use its lower speed setting to improve torque to finish the hole. Along with its small size, this lightweight cordless drill is also notable for its work light, which was by far the brightest of the drills I tested. It also has a battery you can charge on the included charger or via a USB charger, which is convenient if you are using it away from home.
All products pricing and updates mentioned in the video are in the description below. If you liked this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Stay updated with our excellent product and makes your life much easier. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Have a good day. Thank you.